Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making Chinese orange chicken. For our ingredients, we have boneless, skinless chicken breast. You want to cut it into bite sizes. We have eggs, cornstarch, flour, salt, and oil. For our orange chicken sauce, we have orange juice, sugar, rice vinegar, soy sauce, ginger, garlic powder, red chili flakes, orange zest, and cornstarch. And for your garnish, you either want green onions and orange zest. In a medium pot, you want to add your orange juice, your sugar, your vinegar, your soy sauce, ginger, garlic, red chili flakes, and you want to heat for 3 minutes. In a small bowl, you want to whisk together a tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water to form a paste. You're going to add this to your orange sauce and whisk together. You want to continue to cook for about 5 minutes or until the mixture begins to thicken. Once your sauce has thickened, you want to remove it from the heat and add your orange zest. For your chicken, you want to place your flour and your cornstarch in a shallow dish. You want to add some salt and stir. You want to dip your chicken pieces into your egg mixture and then flour mixture. And you want to place it on a plate. You want to add some oil to a pan. You don't want it to be no more than 2 to 3 inches. You want to cook over medium-high heat. You want it to reach about 350 degrees. Work it in batches. You want to cook several pieces at a time. You want to cook for 2 minutes on one side and then 2 to 3 minutes on the other side, or until golden brown. You want to place your chicken on a paper towel lined plate and repeat. You want to toss your chicken with the orange sauce. You may reserve some of the sauce to place on the rice and serve. You can sprinkle some green onions and your orange zest if you desire. We have made Chinese orange chicken. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.